Assalamualaikum friends, this is Professor V.K. Tansir Shadab, Department of Business Administration, Islamia College, Autonomous Waniambadi. Today I am going to take NetSet Management class under a topic Marketing Management. Let's see. And that too as per the UGC's latest NET syllabus. The type of question will be asked: direct, multiple correct options, match the following, comprehension based, chronological order based, assertion and reasoning based, and codes. The key mantras to success would be learn with in-depth, practice well, test at regular interval, revision as much as possible. This slide I just give the detailed instruction in the first class itself. And keep in mind, there is no shortcut to success, no gain without pain, plan without action is also fails, and action without plan is also fails. Let's see what is marketing management. Marketing management is the art. It is the art. The system of art refers to, it is a traditional, it is what you say, it is kind of inner quality. Art as well as science. Science refers to the updated, the demand, and as per the requirement, there has to be equipped with it. So this is what we can say the science of choosing the target market, by choosing the exact market and getting it and keeping and growing customers. So in this case, it is an art as well as science. By choosing the target market, we have to fix the market area where we have to be market our goods or services, and keeping and growing the customer. We have been day to day, customer has to increase, not to maintain the same customer which was there in some 5 years back, not like that. We have to be daily basis, we have to increase, so that if we have increase the customer mean, we are increasing the market also. We are expanding the production level. By the way, we can able to increase the profit also. If we maintain the same customers in the same limit means we are not going to grow it, since we have been the cost of living and cost of production, the cost of being day to day increases. It can be sorted out only via large scale production technique. That is what we can say LSPT. So this can be possible only by growing the customer through creating, delivering, and communicating. How we can be able to create the customer? Through the creating, by delivering, and the communicating and superior customer value. By giving the value to the customer, we have to respond to it. We are giving the service after sales altogether. We are being promoting the customer. By the way, we can promote the business. So with this, I just directly move on to the practical exercise. We are move on this one. So I just pick the 50 questions and answer which has been given by the UGC itself from the past 2 decades they have been conducting. From that questions which has been conducted by UGC, the question will be taken. And I just be shown on display, I just be read out this one. I just explain the question. Please listen carefully and you will just comment in the comment section. See, first one, a marketing plan is composed of 3 basic components. Namely, they are giving the options are given. There are 9 options are given. So in this case, the marketing plan will be composed of 3 only. The rest of the things are wrong one. We have to pick the right answer only, right component only. Let's check it. Objectives. What is it? That's also objective. It's been there in the marketing plan, right? And the policies, and that too will be there. And with respect to the program, that's all be there in it. And the procedure, hence, decision, command, periodic, diversity, it's not there in the marketing plan. So the 1 and 2 and 3 alone are correct, the rest are wrong, incorrect. So that's why the 1 and 2, that is the option 1 and 2 and 3 only correct. Next, which of the following is not the stage of new product development? In order to see, the options are given here: idea generation, business analysis, test market, market segmentation. What is going to do? These first three options, that is what the three stages of new product development. They should have idea should be generated, market analysis should be analyzed, and test marketing sample has to be taken to the market, and that has to be circulated among the public, among the customers, and we get the result. So this is what the three things will be taken into account. Market segmentation is not this part, so it is not more connected with the new product development. So that's why the option is market segmentation. The next one, marketing research does not normally. Marketing research does not normally. Let's check it. Gather environmental information, provide a continuous source of information, relate to all aspects of marketing operation, describe the current situation. The correct option is provide continuous sources of information. See, what is that? Marketing research is a continuous process. Though it is continuous process, but we cannot able to get continuously. It may have some break because of some reason. So that's why the option B is the right answer in this question. The next one, which of the following is not included in the 7 P's of service marketing? So options are given here. Physical evidence, that is there in the 7 P's. People, that's also there in the 7 P's. Process, that's also there in the service 7 P's of services marketing. This marketing plan will not be there, so option B is right. So marketing plan will be the right answer. The next one, globalization involves. What is globalization? It will be include what are those things are there? Free flow of technology from one country to another. What is that? The technology has been developed. See, you can take the example of anything which is there that is being freely has been transported, either machineries, there is the CNC machinery, that is what you can say that computerized numerical control machine. So similarly, technology with respect to computers, mobile, laptops, communication technologies all together, gadgets. So these are all be freely that has been transported from America, from Japan, from China, from England, any country, from one country to another. Let's have a free flow of the technology. That is what we can say that globalization it may have involved in it. The next one, free flow of investment from one country to other country. See, what do you say? The foreigner has been invested in India, and similarly, Indians can able to invest in the foreign also. That's why foreign FDI. Okay, foreign direct investment. So what is all the things are there? Investment in the one country to another. Then it can be called as a globalization. It will involve the free flow of investment. Then next one, free flow of people from one country to another country. See, the people from the other country they have worked in India, and similarly ours IT professional, like what is doctors, professors, engineers, as well as the scientists, they have been worked in the foreign countries like NASA's all together, Chicago all together, then Japan like that. What is that? The people have been flow from the one country to another country. So all together, the three options have been included. So that's why it will be called as a globalization. The next one, that question. Which is the short-term strategy for a firm? Short-term strategy for a firm. Corporate strategy, though it is a long-term, it is a very continuous strategy. So it is a corporate strategy not there. Business strategy is a long-term one, right? Company mission is a vision. A mission is be the core and it will be exist for till the end of the company's comes to an end. So it is a long one. So it is not a short term. So short term will be functional. Functional means for particular work only. In order to perform the particular activity or particular production process, that strategy will be adopted. Such a strategy is called as a functional strategy. That is what you can say, otherwise called short term strategy. The next one, which is not a global entry strategy. It's not a global entry strategy. Exporting, joint venture, merger and acquisition, blue ocean strategy. See, exporting from one country to another country, the goods has been exported, that is the global strategy, right? Joint venture, by joining from others investors or from the other world, we get started, that is called joint venture, as you know that. Merger and acquisition, that's also must acquire the other company. But blue ocean strategy is a different, totally different, it will not be that one. So this is an odd one. So option D is the right answer. Before a company decides to target a particular market segment, which important factors are to be examined against organizational objectives and resources? Before a company decides to target a particular market segment, which important factors to be examined against organizational objective and resources? The options are given: market size, growth rate, structural activities, all the above. See, a company has to, the market segment, the marketer has to see that what is the market size, growth rate, and structural attractiveness will be taken into account. So all the three aspects is very, very important with respect to the target, the market segment. So that's why all the above is the right answer. The next one, which of the following is not included in the 5 forces of competition? In the competition, there may have one is be there, 5 forces not be there included. So that's why bargaining power of suppliers, bargaining power of consumers, threat of substitute, strategic planning. See, first three, bargaining power of suppliers, that's also included in the, what do you say, 5 forces of competition. So in the competition, the power of bargaining suppliers, we have to know bargaining power, how much you can be able to bargain from the supplier. And similarly, bargaining power of customer, that's also there in the competition. We can know the competitor. So based on that, we can analyze the customer and we can able to bargain with the customer. We can able to analyze. And similarly, threats of substitute. What the other substitute product will be available? What is the alternative product will be available in the market that can be analyzed? Based on that, we can able to what are the forces, external forces which has been there in the competition that can be analyzed. And the last option which has been given, the strategic planning is not, it is something odd. So we have to be what do you say, isolated from this one. So that's why the correct answer is strategic planning, option B. The next one, the practice of selling 2 or more separate products together for a single price. The practice of selling 2 or more separate product together for a single price, that is what you can say bundling. It's been bundle offer. Suppose if you buy the soap of some brand, the other brand, what is the toothpaste has been given as a free. So what is what? That is what you can say, that system of pricing is called bundling price. Next one. Market risk is also known as, market risk is otherwise called, what is that? Systematic risk or non-diversible risk. Systematic risk or not, it will not be diverted, it will not be, what do you say, put on the others work, it will not be diverted. So that's why systematic risk has non-diversible risk. Market risk will be uncontrolled in nature because the external efforts, external factor, it is not so. If it is within the factory, within the organization, means it will be internal aspect that can be easily controllable, but with respect to the external aspect, so it will not be controlled. So systematic risk or non-diversible risk will be then the right answer. The next one, in the buying decision process, what is the term used for the person who first suggests buying the product or services? In the buying decision process, what is the term used for a person who first suggests buying the product or services? That is what obviously this means, the general term is that initiator. Initiator is the right answer. The next one, strategies formulated to convert a sick unit to a healthy unit is the first to turn around. We can turn the strategy as to make the company to from the sick to, what did you say? To make the healthy industry. It makes the from sick to a healthy industry. That is a strategic to adopted. That strategy is called as a turnaround strategy. That is option A is right. The next one, which of the following strategies require a company to concentrate its efforts to one or more narrow segment instead of broad-based strategy? See, in this case, we just repeat this one. Which of the following strategy requires a company to concentrate its efforts in one or more narrow segment instead of a broad-based strategy? So here in this case, one or more narrow, it can be narrow down the segment instead of broad area. So it means focus. If you have a focus, we can able to narrow down, we can be able to pinpoint the what is the strategy. That is what you can say, that focus strategy. Next one, selling the product only through a single wholesaler or retailer is called exclusively distribution strategy. Exclusive, it is been for particular only, exclusive distribution strategy. The right answer is C. The next one, marketing myopia concept was developed by Theodore Levitt. That is right answer is D. The next one, what describes the market, product and technological area of business? That is obviously mission, company's mission. Company's mission can tell you that what is the market, what is the product and technology area of business. The next one, what is the term used in a market if divided into distinct group of buyers which might require separate product or marketing mixes? The term which has been used to distinct the group of buyers which might require to separate the product as well as the marketing, product or marketing, which is called market segmentation. Market segmentation is a term which has been used so that we can call it as a market segmentation. Then next one, that is option C is right. The next one, which of the variables is not used by the marketers for demographic segmentation? Which of the variables it is not used by marketers for demographic segmentation? See, age is taken into very important. See, old age people will not be connected to the kids here. It's not so. So age is very important. When you're dealing with the kids here, kids textile, so age is very important. Suppose kids one only you are being manufactured, you are being focusing to the kids only. So it's based on the kids, right? Under 14 age group only you have to target it. And similarly, income. Suppose you are dealing with the what you say high costlier product, so you have to focus on the market where the which are what you say rich customers have been circulated, will be freely move on there. So you have to focus the income group. And similarly, gender. Suppose you are dealing with the what you say some fashionable ladies item perfumes or something that or cosmetics like that. You have to be focusing the gender base. Whether it may be ladies or gents items, you have to differentiate with one. So that is what that has been taken into account. And the fourth option which is given, poverty. See, in this case, not here, question will be given not. Not refers to this three will be taken into account, fourth will not be taken. How? The poverty is being connected, it is being included in the income itself. If you have an income, you will not have a question of poverty. So we have left this one, so it is a odd one. So poverty is being eliminated from this one. So it is the odd would be odd would be the poverty. Option D is right. The next one, promotion mix includes advertising, publicity, personal selling, and sales promotion. Promotion mix includes the advertising, publicity, personal selling, and the sales promotion. Right? It's not the rest of the things so wrong, because physical attributes not that, branding is not there, packaging and the other things are not there. So it may include the advertising, publicity, personal selling, and the sales promotion. Option E is right. Which of the following is not the stage of product life cycle? PLC, which is otherwise called PLC, is following not the stage of product life cycle. See, in this case, if you go to the PLC, you can see that introduction stage is there, growth is there, decline is there, but you do not find market segmentation. It is a separate topic, so it is a odd one. It should be isolated. So that is what option C is right. That is market segmentation. The next one, which is the basic form of innovation? Innovation refers to introduction of novel production process, then improvement and development of existing process, improvement and development of existing form. Right. All the three is being related to the basic form of innovation. So it should be a novel production process. Right. It is improvement and development of the existing product. It is the new as well as the existing, focusing the new also, existing also. And the same way, improvement and development of existing also, of the form also, not only process, even for the form also. So it means it's a combination of three, 3 points we had to take into account. So that's why all of the above. Option D is right. The next one, the scientific system of collecting and analysis of data pertaining to market is known as marketing research. The scientific system of collecting. So we are following the management system, that is our scientific system. The scientific system of collecting and analysis of data pertaining to market is known as called marketing research. Not production research, not advertising research, it is a marketing research, right? The option C is right. Who plays an important role in the success of products and services and in increasing the market shares of the firm in business? Now we have to see who are the important role in the success of product and services, increasing the market share. To increase the market share, who will be the main role? Right? Let's see, functional level managers, corporate level managers, business level managers, all of them, right? In this case, all the 4 or the 3 above points which have been given, the options which have been given, it's been taken into because functional level managers also very important to what means increase the market share. Similarly, corporate level managers also assist to increase the marketing share, increase the market share. Similarly, business level managers also responsible to increase the marketing share of the firm. right? So all the four what the options will be taken into account. So all of them are the right answer. Making profit by taking advantages of different prices prevailing in a different market is refers to as arbitrage. The direct answer, no need to discuss further in this field. Marketing profit is by taking advantage of different prices prevailing in different market is refers to as arbitrage. Option C is right. A market structure which consists of one buyer and one seller is refers to bilateral monopoly. There may have only one buyer and one seller. That is what we can call as a monopoly. Mono means single. Bilateral monopoly. Bilateral. Bi means two. The two refers to buyer as well as the seller. So two. Bi refers to two. So bilateral monopoly. The next one, at which stage of new product development process the launching of new product will take place? At the stage of new product development process, the launching of new product will take place. Business analysis, commercialization, test marketing, market strategy. Business analysis not at commercialization. When we go for the commercialization, the what is new product will be taken place. Next one, a marketing database is built as an aid refers to help. Marketing database is built as aid to help to marketing research. The database, the information which has been there by the market researcher, market analysis that has been researched for the marketing research purpose. So option A is right. The next one, in the stage of product life cycle, the company takes a decision whether to maintain, harvest or drop the product. At a certain stage in the PLC, product life cycle, the company takes the decision whether we have to maintain this one or harvest this one, or we have to continue this one, or we have to drop it, shut down the business, shut down the product to discontinue the product. So what the stage is called? That is called decline. Whenever we find this, they have continuously the product level demand is being declining. What is it? The company has to take a decision whether we have to maintain this, whether in future it may be demanded or it may increase or not, something we have to analyze this one, we are continuing or drop. This decision will be taken in the declining stage, not in the introduction. Say you do not know anything about the future oriented, so it's not that. In the growth stage, right? In the growth stage also we are not taking any decision, right? And the similar maturity is the peak level. So in no way is connected to what you say. There is no question at all to take the decision regarding drop this one. So that's why that is the time of declining stage alone, we have take a decision whether we have to go for some new one or not. So this is the option B is right. The next one, the branding strategy which uses a different brand name for each product is known as. The branding strategy which uses a different name for each product. For same product, the same different name has been given for each product is known as individual branding. Individually the name has been given in the individual way, that's called the individual branding. The next one, which one is not the overseas market entry strategy followed by multinational corporations? That is what you can say, that strategic planning. Strategic planning already discovered. The strategic planning alone, which will require some concentric efforts will be there. Somewhat you may have a strategic approach to be required. So that is the strategic planning. Option D is right. The next one, marketing information system. That is what you can say, the other is called as a MIS. Gathers information from the internal source like marketing intelligence and market research to help the managers in. Let's see, MIS, marketing information system, gathers the information from internal sources. They collect the data, they get the opinion from the internals, from the market intelligence, market experts, and the marketing research to help the manager, to help the market research manager. What are the, let's see the options: assessing in the information needs, developing the needs of information, needed information, distributing the information. So in this direction, the first three options are taken into account. The option D is right. So all of the above will be taken into account. All of them will be taken into account. The next one, two statements are given below. Statement 1, product concept of marketing holds that consumer would favor those products that are available and highly affordable. Right? In this case, we have to check whether the both statement is true or false or either one are true will be right. So this is, we have to check it. Product concept of marketing holds that consumers would favor those products that are available and highly available. It is wrong. It is not true, right? The next one, production concept of marketing holds that consumers would not buy enough of the company's product unless the company undertakes the substantial production promotional effort. That's also wrong. So the statement will be there. Yes, both the statements are wrong. Okay, next one. Which fact is true about online marketing? Which facts about true about online marketing? So what is that? A website which is user-friendly, a website which is user-friendly and regularly updated, a website which is user-friendly, regularly updated and make product graphical image available, a website which is user-friendly, regularly updated, provides product graphical image and product price is competitive. Let's check the examples from the above three options. Though it is correct, but it's not the most exhaustive one. It's not so. It is the incomplete one. But in the last sentence, what do you see? A website that has user friendly. We have everything, and similarly regularly it is being updated. That's the people's customers are being very much interested to see the updated product which will be available in the e-commerce website. And similarly, product graphical image. The image should be shown, and apart from that, they have to see the very much about to see the prices to compare it. Let's say example of if you are buying a mobile phone, you can compare with the Amazon and Flipkart. These two companies, you can compare the same product, same feature mobile, same model mobile phone, which company is offering the lesser price. This is not so. So that's why product image price is also very important, because when you go for the same product at a different price, you can go for the least price product. This is not so of the same brand. So that's why the option D is right. The next one, which of the following function involved under marketing management function? They are giving some function will be there. Let's check it. What are the function which has been given? Collection of marketing information, marketing coordination, marketing controlling, all the above. So what is that? What did you say? All the marketing, what is relation of marketing information will be there in the marketing management function, right? Marketing coordinate should be a coordinate. Without coordinate, nothing can be getting out of that. So that's why marketing coordination is very important in order to get the result. So marketing controlling also very, very important. So that's why all the above should be taken into account. So option D is right. The next one. 5 steps of small business development shall occur in the order of, let's check the order, how it is that one. Resource maturity, existence, success, survival, takeoff. Resource maturity, existence, success, survival and takeoff. Success, existence, survival, takeoff, resource maturity. Then existence, survival, success, takeoff, resource maturity. Likewise, and similarly, existence, success, survival, resource maturity and takeoff. See, in this case, the first and foremost, you know that first a company should be occur in the order of small business. Means it should be first of all, it has to exist. Later on, they have to survive. Then after survive, go for the success. Then once it is success, then take off. And once they take off, they have to go for the maturity. So the correct order is existence, survival, success, take off, and then resource maturity. The next question. To maintain dominance, a market leader looks for, what are the things they have to look for? Let's check it. Ways to expand total market demand, attempting to protect its current share, increase the market share. So all the three what the options which have been here is very important to be a leader in the market, to dominate. So that's why option D is right. Cost plus pricing is not suitable for. Cost plus pricing is not suitable for monopoly pricing, because when you're dealing with the single pricing system, it is not suitable because the product having user pricing, monopoly pricing, that time will be required, but for monopoly pricing it is not required. So we say that it is not suitable to the monopoly. So option A is right. The next one, which of the following is the direct marketing? Direct marketing is covered, the options are given: face-to-face marketing, catalog marketing, direct mailing, test marketing. Face-to-face means a person can contact by directly to the customer. Either the salesman, they can go for direct salesman, or the salesperson is going to the customer, their persons, they have to meet with that, and they have interacted with it. What you say, face to face marketing will be the direct marketing. Case of marketing, the indirect is a printed form, so it is not considered under the direct marketing. So it may be there, but it will not. Once it is given this option, it becomes a wage. So that's why the option A is taken into account most exhaustive. And direct mailing, that's also indirect communication. So because of it's not concerned, text marketing is not like that. So option A is right. The next one, in marketing research, primary data can be collected through. In the marketing research, primary data can be collected through how it is that observation method, survey method, experimental method. So from this point, from this way, the primary data can be collected either with the observation method. You can observe the data, the observation method, and either by conducting the survey, we can collect the primary data, and similarly by experimental method, we can collect the primary data. So all the items. Holistic marketing does not include. What is that? Internal marketing, integrated marketing, performance marketing, financial marketing. Holistic marketing is a kind of marketing. If there is internal marketing within the organization, what is internally there has to be marketing. The marketing aspect will be taken into account. Integrated marketing is also included there. Performance of the employees, the marketers, the people who are dealing with the marketing activity, that's also taken into account. But financial marketing will not be there in the odd one. So that we say that does not mean it will be an odd one. The financial odd one, so financial marketing. Next one. A marketer developing a brand name that is easy to pronounce would conduct. See, if you are giving some, highly technical words, it would be not easily pronounced, means the product will not be reached in the market. So that's why the marketer has developed a brand name that is easy to pronounce would conduct. Good? Would conduct, that is what we can call as the association test, memory test, preference test, or recall test. Recall test means in association test, it is not that. The memory test, though it is there, but it's not given much evidence because preference also there, but the recall test. See, the people may easily recall. The people is going to be easily recall the brand name so that they can easily buy the product. So the recall test is very, very important in order to in the marketer is developing a brand name. The next one, before performing the business analysis for developing a new product, a company should be engaged in what activity they have to engage for developing a new product would be given. Idea screening, product development, market strategy development, and product positioning. Already discussed about it. See, before performing the business analysis should be go for the strategic development, because marketing is a work which has been very important, essential activity. It is a core activity. So that's why marketing strategy development is very, very important in terms of business analysis for developing the new product. So this why the option C is correct. The next one, relationship marketing aims at building mutually satisfying long-term relationship with the the customer, employee, marketing partner, all of the above. In this case, relationship marketing aims at building a mutually satisfying long-term relationship with satisfying and mutually building rapport. How it is possible only with the customer. The customers can be dealt with the employees. The employees, the activity can carry out with the marketing partners and all the above. From this one, all the three options are very important in this connection. So all the above will be correct answer. Next one, in the social cultural arena, marketers may not understand. In the social cultural arena, marketers may not understand. Let's see that what options are given. People's view, organizational views, society's views, government views. What is it? The social cultural arena, marketer will not understand. Marketer can able to have some past experience, right? They can have experience of the people. They will have know the customer's view, what the demand, what the vision, what the ambition, what they expect. Everything they can easily analyze based on the conducting of the surveys. And similarly, organizational views, we can have some experience. By the society's views, we can be expert. But with respect to the government, we will not follow, because the government can change from time to time. So I say some 5 years to 5 years is not so. From time to time has been changed. What the views, what the thought, what the motive of that one we cannot predict, so marketing may not be understand. So the option is option D. Next one, a manufacturer of industrial good would use dash sales force structure. A manufacturer of industrial goods could use dash force structure. Let's see, check that. Territorial, matrix, product, and market. What is it? A manufacturer industrial. A manufacturer industrial sales, and then it will go for the market. So when the sales have been made, only it will be market in the marketing the goods. So that's why the market option is B. Next one. The marketing effectiveness reviews is a part of dash control. The marketing effectiveness review is a part of dash control. That is the strategy. I just already tell about marketing effective. Effective will become only if it is we have strategic approach. That's why the marketing effectiveness review is a part of effective control. Next one. When a cigarette manufacturing company drastically cuts price of a particular brand of its cigarettes to increase its share in the competitive market, is implementing in that strategy. What is the strategy they have to see? Just take it. Integrated strategy growth, not that. Then market development is not like that. Market penetration is the right answer, because they have to penetrate. They have to enter in the market, so that the market penetration will be there in the strategy. The next one, product development, not that. So right answer is market penetration. Then an entrepreneur who is neither willing to introduce new changes nor to develop the new method is known as, that is what, drone entrepreneurs. The entrepreneur who is neither willing to introduce new technique, new changes, they will not be equipped with the new advancement of technology, they will not be a new system of method will not be adopted. A new method is called, the kind of entrepreneur is called as a drone entrepreneur. Right? Option B is right. The next one, which of the following is a type of direct marketing? Let's take it. Direct response advertising, personal selling, telemarketing. Which is called type of direct marketing? So it is already discussed about it. It is a direct marketing because one-to-one relationship. A direct response, one-to-one. Personal selling, that's one-to-one. And telemarketing, that's also one-to-one. So that's why we say direct marketing. All of them. Thank you. Thank you, friends. With this, I just conclude my 3 classes of the NetSite management. I hope you have understand well. If you have any doubts, you can clarify in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel so that I can update the videos in forthcoming times. I hope you may going to successfully complete it in the first attempt. In the subsequent, what you see, going to come very shortly because of the COVID-19. We are facing a trouble. For the initiative, our college, our management, our board principal is taking efforts to kept this kind of valuable interaction. They are conducting classes through online, that is the NetSite, in the various courses. I thank the management as well as our principal, vice principal, and my HODs and my colleagues who have been kind enough to help me to complete this time within the time frame. Thank you one and all. Thank you.